Morning folks, just want to show you a quick video on how you're going to access Microsoft Teams. To do this you're going to need your Glow username and password, and I make absolutely no apologies for the desktop. Right, so here we go. The first thing you're going to have to do is to open up a web browser, and into that the easiest way to do it is just to search for Glow Scotland, and that's going to take you to the Glow user homepage. Once here, you're going to type in your username and your password, and that's going to sign you in. Now that's going to take you to your Glow homepage. So this is your Launchpad. Now obviously this is my Launchpad, so I've got a few things on here that you might not have. If you want to add anything at all to your Launchpad, you just click on the wee search bar up here at the top. So we'll start off by just adding Teams. So we do a little search, we find this. Now rather than clicking on it, we're going to click on the little I at the top left, and we're going to add to my Launchpad. So that's going to make sure that the next time that you come in, it's going to be present on your Launchpad. So once here, you're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to a page that looks a little bit like this. So at this point, it's going to ask you to make sure that you're logged in. Now if it asks you for an email address, you're going to have to make sure that you put in, I'll just put it in just now for you to show, you're going to put in your username, and then you're going to add at the end @glow.sch.uk. Okay, and that's going to make sure that it takes you to the right place. So once you're in, you should get taken to your kind of home page for Microsoft Teams. It's going to ask me to do that a couple of times. And it's going to take us to the Microsoft Teams homepage. So on here you're going to see any team that you've been added to, whether it's a science team or whether it's a team from another one of your subjects. And as you'll be able to see here, I've got all the teams that I've set up with all the different year groups and things across all the different subjects that we teach in science. Okay, now if you would prefer to, there is an option to download a free application for Microsoft Teams. So we can just do a quick search, and it works on any computer, whether it's an Apple Mac or whether it's a Windows PC, it doesn't matter. You can download Teams. Now once you do that, you'll be able to open up the Microsoft Teams app, which will be on your desktop, and it'll take you to a page like this. Now again, Teams is originally set up for lots of different people to use, not just for school kids. So you're going to have to make sure that you tell it that you use Glow. So the way we do that is we put in our username with the @glow.sch.uk at the end. You click next, and it should take you straight to the Glow login page that you've already seen. Your username should already be filled in, and you're then just popping in your password. Once you've done that, it'll launch the Teams app, which I prefer personally. It's a lot easier to use. It also means that you don't have to log in. It does keep you logged in on your machine. Obviously that might not be too handy if you're sharing the computer with brothers or sisters in other year groups, or with parents who are also using this type of thing for work. But there you'll see all the different teams that are set up, and you'll have access to them. Now the thing to keep an eye on is when a team goes bold, like this one here. This is the staff team that we're using, and this is our Beath S3 biology team. You can see the bold writing. That tells you that something's changed in there. But you've also got this little activity meter up at the top left here, and if you click on that, that'll let you have access to any changes that have been made. Okay, good luck getting into Teams, guys. Once you get in, you should find a message, and you can like that message to let us know that you're there. Hope you're all staying safe and all staying healthy.